Ashley, so today's our wedding day, September 22nd, 2018. We've been together for 3.5 years, and it's been the best memories I could ever ask for.
Josh, I can't wait to see you. I'm so excited to marry you and spend the rest of my life with you.
I, Josh, take you, Ashley.
I, Josh, take you, Ashley.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
And I pledge.
And I pledge.
That I will be faithful.
That I will be faithful.
And that I will love and serve you.
That I will love and serve you.
As long as we both shall live.
As long as we both shall live.
Josh and Ashley, you have come before God and these witnesses today to express your desire to be husband and wife. By the clasping of hands, by the reciting of vows, by the exchanging of a ring, you've shown your love and devotion to each other. I therefore, in the presence of God and these witnesses, pronounce that you're husband and wife. Josh, you may kiss your bride. It's my distinct privilege and high honor to be able to first of all say that I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Josh Wirt. God's blessings be upon you too.
Everyone that gets the pleasure to be friends with Ashley knows that she's the most genuine, giving, loving human being you'll ever meet. She brings out seriously the best in everybody. A friend like that's really hard to find these days. Ashley's always dreamed of having this happily ever after day. We've talked about it for months, years, and I believe that today her dreams have came true. I love you both so much. I pray nothing but the best that life has to offer for you guys. I know Josh is going to take great care of you. I'm forever grateful for your friendships and our times together. I hope you guys always respect and cherish each other and enjoy the simple things in life. So everyone raise a glass and let's toast to Ashley and Josh on a lifetime of happiness. Congratulations. I love you both.